Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to generate the date slicer in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. We'll activate the slicer. In the field, the order date will be dragged and dropped. When we click on any date, the results which will be displayed on the placard, the multi-row card, and the table will be according to that date. Let's see. So this is the result specifically for 1st October 2016, 1st November 2014. So the total sum of sales on 1st November 2014 was 9.94. The multiple selections of the date can be done with the help of control button. Activate one date, press control, and again press the another tab. So this is the way you can select the multiple dates. By pressing this, you will clear all the selections. Now we will do the formatting of this date slicer. Click here, slicer settings. The style at present is vertical list. The options available are tile or the drop down. So in case of dates, drop down menu is much better. Selection. If I off this, the multiple selections of the dates can be done with the help of mouse. See this. Now the control tab is not required. If I on this, we require a control tab to do this multiple selections. Again, erase all the selections. Slicer header. The font color can be changed from here. Size can be changed. Border, top, bottom, left, right. Let's change the color. The line width can be increased or decreased from here. Background. If the background is necessary, it can be done from here. So select any other background, that will be better. Go in values. It's in black color. This color can also be changed. The size can also be changed. See the size of this padding. If you want to increase the white portion in the slicer, it can be done with the help of padding. Border. The borders can be activated if it's necessary, otherwise keep as it is. Background. Select light background, or you can select any other background also. Now go in the general settings, properties. By increasing this number, the height and width of the slicer will increase. By increasing this number, the height and width of the slicer can be controlled. Let's decrease this area. Position. By increasing this number, the slicer will move on right hand side. This will move the slicer towards the bottom. Padding. This will increase the white portion on left hand side. This will increase the white portion on the right hand side. This will increase towards the bottom, and this will be towards top. Title. If the title is necessary, on it and write the title. If divider is necessary, as soon as you activate the title, the divider will also get activated. So at present, the divider is not necessary. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous video to understand the flow of these tutorials. Effects. Let's activate the background. Let's check another color if it is available. Fine. Transparency. Visual borders. We require a round border here. Color black. shadow, activate from here, outside. Do we want the offset towards inside or outside? So let's select outside. The position is bottom left. Uh, Keep it left. Header icons, make sure that all of them are on. So the header icons are related to the filters on visuals, focus mode, and more options. If I change the color of this, so this is the border. And so in case of header icons, I prefer that you keep on the default settings by pressing reset to default. So done. This is your date slicer. So the results of the specific date can be generated by just clicking on it and see the changes. So this was all about date slicer in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.